Setting goals for your online business. If you want your new online business to fail, then skip this video. That may sound harsh, but it is true. Most people that start online businesses and fail had no plan or goals for their business. They just poked around and then got disheartened when they didn't make the money that they wanted. One of the major drawbacks of an online business is also one of its biggest advantages. You can start for a very small investment, around $10 for a domain name and $10 a month for web hosting, and you are good to go. So if things don't work out as you wanted them to, it is not much of a loss to give up. You need to be persistent and work at your online business every day. If something is not working, you need to figure out why and change your approach. Just because a method worked for someone else does not mean that it will work for you. The best way to muster the drive to carry on is by setting goals and having a plan. Set goals for your online business. How much money do you want your online business to generate in the first year? Most newbie online business owners don't think about this, but you must think about it and then develop this into a goal for your online business. This training is all about creating a six-figure online business. So let's say that your goal for the first year is to generate $100,000. Can that really be done? Yes, it can. Many have generated more than this. These people all had goals and plans and a why statement. We never promised that you would make six figures in your first year. So if $100,000 is a bit rich for you, then go for $50,000. Just decide on a figure and then stick with it. Create your goal by using the SMART goal setting process, which stands for specific. $50,000 in 12 months is specific. Measurable. You can measure what you earn each month to see how well you are doing. Achievable. You're not going to make thousands overnight, as some of these product vendors claim, so make sure that your goal is achievable. Realistic. Is it realistic to make $50,000 a year with an online business? Yes, it is. Timed. You have to set the goal for 12 months, which is good. Adding a time frame for achieving your goal is essential. Write your goal down. You can create a document on your computer as well, but when you write something down, it is more powerful. Nobody really knows why this works, but it does. How does your goal make you feel? Think about how achieving your goal for your online business will make you feel. Visualize the money in your account. Think about how proud you will feel. You created this online business out of nothing. Feel your emotions of achieving your goal and make them strong. Add these feelings to your goal. Describe how you will feel once you have achieved your goal. Write it down as part of your goal. Carry your written goal around with you wherever you go. Why do you want to achieve your goal? Just having a goal, no matter how good, is never enough. You need to ask yourself why you really want to start an online business and make it a success. Don't just write down that you are doing it for the money. Money is just something useful. What will you do with the money? Who are you doing this for? Is it for your partner so that you can buy them something special? Think emotions here. You want to create a why statement for your goal that will drive you every single day. Once you have your reasons, write them down in your why statement and carry it with you everywhere. Daily routine. When you get up in the morning, be sure to read your goal and your why statement. This is a great way to start the day. If you are working on your online business and something is stopping you moving forward and you feel your motivation waning, you can read your goal and why statement to reignite your motivation. You're going to have some tough days ahead. Running a successful online business is not easy, and there will be times when you feel very frustrated and may even question why you started the business. Get out your why statement and goal and find a new level of inspiration. In the next video, we will look at the importance of traffic generation.